Welcome to my channel Mathsma, and this video will permanently make your mathematics basics stronger like ever before. Root over 5 multiplied by root over 5 is equal to 5. Root over 10 multiplied by root over 10 is equal to 10. Root over 0 multiplied by root over 0 is equal to 0. Root over 100 multiplied by root over 100 is equal to 100. Root over 1001 multiplied by root over 1001 is equal to 1001. Root over 2.5 multiplied by root over 2.5 is equal to 2.5. Root over 55 multiplied by root over 55 is equal to 55. Root over 9.5 multiplied by root over 9.5 is equal to 9.5. Root over 0.1 multiplied by root over 0.1 is equal to 0.1. Now, can you tell what is root over 0.5 multiplied by root over 0.5 is equal to? Also, can you tell what is root over 47 multiplied by root over 47 is equal to? Now, after answering the above three questions, this one will be easy for you. What is root over 0.11 multiplied by root over 0.11 is equal to? Subscribe my channel if you are getting any use out of my lectures, and do share this video with your friends so that they can find use out of this lecture too. Thank you for watching and see you on the next lecture.